Enclomiphene. This is the most powerful testosterone booster that we have available right now. I mean, of course, we already have Enhanced Top T as a natural testosterone booster with a blend of all these different herbs, but enclomiphene is a single molecule. It is used in the medical community, Western mainstream medicine, to increase fertility and for men and women for different reasons, different effects in each body, but it's a fertility increaser. And in men, it does that by increasing testosterone and increasing sperm production. I'm using enclomiphene while I'm on cycle because I want to maintain some level of natural testosterone production and I want to maintain my fertility. If I wasn't on cycle, I would use enclomiphene to keep my testosterone level super high. I would stack it with Enhanced Top T and enclomiphene, and I would get my natural testosterone to something like 1200. And that would have a noticeable difference because I'd be able to build muscle faster than natural. I'd be able to lose fat faster than natural. I'd have more motivation, more drive, more masculine energy. Enclomiphene is like the surefire Western medical way to boost testosterone, which you might be thinking, wait a second, Western medicine wants to keep us sick. It doesn't want us to increase testosterone. Well, we are kind of using it off label. They would prescribe it for generally Western medicine for fertility situations, but not necessarily for just boosting testosterone, just to boost testosterone, because Western medicine doesn't see low testosterone as a disease or as a problem, but it is. And people notice this difference when they take enclomiphene. If you have a normal testosterone or low testosterone, then they take enclomiphene, their testosterone goes way up, and they notice all the benefits of higher testosterone, which are more strength, more energy, more stamina, more desire to go to the gym, more desire to take care of your health, more desire to build things like masculine energy, build things, be constructive, be positive. It's a real life changer. It can totally change someone's life who's low testosterone to go from low testosterone to high testosterone by using enclomiphene, completely change someone's entire reality in their entire life. Too many men are suffering from extremely low testosterone. They could simply take enclomiphene and solve it. Enclomiphene has been around a really long time, but previously it was bound to zooclomiphene. So you had enclomiphene and zooclomiphene bound in the same supplement, in the same medication called Clomid or clomiphene. And so you could look up all the studies on clomiphene, and all of that information, as far as all the beneficial information, applies to enclomiphene. So you can see that there's decades of comprehensive research and scientific data and FDA approval and everything else about clomiphene. And then the difference with enclomiphene is enclomiphene has the zooclomiphene removed. The zooclomiphene is the one that was giving the side effects. So if you look at a clomiphene study and you see all these benefits I'm talking about, but you also see side effects, now eliminate all those side effects, and that's what enclomiphene does. It has the benefits without most of the side effects of clomiphene. So it's a real miracle. Connor Murphy used it in the Natty Plus stack. He did blood work experiments on it showing massive increase in testosterone. Of course, it is a synthetic molecule. Not everybody wants to use a synthetic molecule. That's why some people choose to use Enhanced Top T, which is an herbal supplement, which has a lot of benefits beyond just increasing testosterone, such as acting like an antioxidant in the testicles for sperm quality and balancing other hormones besides just testosterone. So how does enclomiphene work? If it's synthetic, but it causes the body to produce natural testosterone, how does that happen? Well, the enclomiphene tricks the body into thinking that estrogen is low because it acts like estrogen in some ways, some of the beneficial ways of estrogen, but when it attaches to the estrogen receptor, it also acts like a blank signal. So it doesn't deliver the signal that this is estrogen. And so the body says, there's no estrogen. We need to produce more testosterone because in a man's body, estrogen comes from the conversion of testosterone to estrogen. So the male body will create more testosterone in an effort to make more estrogen. So you trick the body. It's very simple. It's not like a dangerous medical thing. This is very easily understood, scientifically proven. You just trick the body in thinking there's low estrogen and your body produces more testosterone in order to make more estrogen. That's simple. Very simple. It's not complicated. It's not a lot of potential for side effects. So it's very safe, very time tested. I take Enclomiphene every day. The biggest difference I noticed between Enclomiphene and Clomiphene is that with Clomiphene, I get these floaters in my eyes, like it messes with my vision with regular Clomiphene. But with Enclomiphene, I don't get that. I actually did see some floaters the other day, but it was so mild. It wasn't like, if I'm on Clomiphene, I see floaters all over in my eyes. It's annoying and I have to stop. But I only saw a little bit of floaters. I think it's not even from the Enclomiphene. And I've been on Enclomiphene. These pills are 12.5 milligrams. So the dosage could be anywhere from 6.25 all the way to 25 milligrams. So average per day, I'm usually taking 12.5 milligrams. But the studies show that if you go up in dosage, testosterone goes up too. So if someone wants really high testosterone levels, they could take 2 pills, which is 25 milligrams of Enclomiphene, and their testosterone goes super high. And if we just want a little bump in testosterone, we could just take 12.5 milligrams. And then you've got Connor Murphy, who he wanted to experiment with the lowest possible effective dosage. He tried 12.5 milligrams every other day, so 1 pill every other day. And he also tried opening the capsule and pouring half, and so taking 6.25 milligrams per day. And he still noticed a big increase in his testosterone, even from the 6.25 milligrams every day or the 12.5 milligrams every other day, which is really amazing because a lot of people would take 25 milligrams. And it can be cycled. It could be taken all year. If it's taken all year, then probably the lower dosage is better. If it's cycled, might as well use the higher dosage. Something like 3 weeks on, 1 week off, repeat, 3 weeks on, 1 week off, repeat. On the 1 week off, maybe using Enhanced Top T Testosterone Booster or just staying on Enhanced Top T Testosterone Booster at all times. So I'd say, what does a Enclomiphene stack with? I think it stacks really well with Enhanced Top T Testosterone Booster. And then for muscle building purposes, if we're trying to do like a natty plus, natural plus protocol, then you would still be stacking the Enclomiphene, which is working on the androgen pathway, because it's increasing testosterone to build muscle. So it's working through the androgen pathway, even though that's directly affecting the estrogen pathway. It's secondarily affecting the testosterone androgen pathway, which is more important. That's the goal. That's what the net effect is. So Enclomiphene on the androgen receptor pathway, and then MK677 on the growth hormone pathway, Slin pills on the insulin pathway, and we can go from there. We could take IGF on the IGF pathway and so on. We could also stack Enclomiphene with other things on the androgen pathway. So for example, we could use, in a previous video, I talked about RAD140, RAD140, and some people are concerned that it could suppress natural testosterone levels. Well, if we stack RAD140 with Enclomiphene, then our testosterone is going to be higher than natural, not suppressed, but actually producing more testosterone than natural, which, if you just think about it philosophically for a minute, like what's better and what's worse? Someone that stays natural and has low testosterone, or someone that takes RAD140, gets super jacked, muscular, feels amazing, becomes superhuman, and takes Enclomiphene, and as a result has natural testosterone production double the person who is natural. Like, imagine the difference in the physique between these two people. The natural person is going to struggle building muscle, waste a bunch of time in the gym. They're going to have to be obsessed with the fitness lifestyle to build a great physique. It's going to be all-consuming, and it's going to sacrifice everything else in their life. Or you take the other person doing natural plus, taking Enclomiphene, RAD140, MK677 Slin pills. They're going to make muscle building progress roughly 300% faster, and they are going to have higher testosterone levels, more health benefits, and they're going to be healthier than the natural. So as you can see, Enclomiphene can fit in some of the healthiest muscle building and fat loss and testosterone replacement therapy protocols in the world, and certainly much healthier than natural. Be swole and swole, friends of freedom, pioneers of human evolution.